working as senior DevOps engineer here, and I'm working with the offshore team where I'm handling CI/CD pipeline, working with the GCP services. I'm handling major services like data engine, data flow, GCS storage bucket, networking, and infra side. For that, we are using Terraform, Python, and also I involve in automation tasks. Yeah, for GCP or any projects, security is very mandatory, so we should maintain it. And for that, we are working with the Prisma Alert Security Scan, and that we make sure that all GCP service should be secure and scanned each minute. The teams are very supportive. The offshore team always help me a lot because we having the different time zone, and I'm operating from India and they're from Canada. This is a very nice place to work where teams are very cooperative, we are supporting.